Hi dear friends, next day this is Alan from Summer Writing Company. Today I'd like to introduce one of our sunlight. Yes, it's also Floodlights. It's really popular in our city market and we get so many good feedback from our clients. Firstly, let me show you the list of these items. Yes, as for wattage, we can do 40 watt and 60 watt and 150 watt. This also can be chosen. Secondly, let me show you more detail about it. Yes, this is 40 watt lamp. As you can see, there are 168 ADs and this is 4 pieces colorful indicator ADs. One piece represents 25% of the pole. So it's easy to know the pole how much is it. And this extension cap is 5 meters. Yes. Finally, let me show its working effect. It's really easy to use. Just need to connect the wire. As you can see, this indicator is flashing. This means lamp is charging. And how can we control light? Yes, we can control it by knob and the light. Light control means the lamp will turn on automatically at night and it will turn off at daytime. Let me have a check. Yes, the lamp turn on automatically. And the light is turned off. Okay, next let me show the room control. Turn on light. Yes. Half brightness. Full brightness. And turn off light. Yes, that's all. Thanks for your attention. See you.